Mitchell leaves for basic training shortly after graduation. Mitchell Emanuel. Our final senior night recognition will continue with the remaining senior marching band and band front members. Our next marching band member is Madison Brightville. Madison is the daughter of Jeanette Brightville, who is joined this evening by Madison's brother, Braden Brightville. Madison has participated in 4 musicals, been a member of the marching band for 6 years, a member of concert band and chorus for 7 years, county band for 3 years, and district band for 3 years. Madison has earned a varsity letter for marching band. She is also a member of the National Society of High School Scholars. Madison has participated in the Quiz Bowl for 2 years and pit band for 2 years. Madison plans to attend Seton Hill University for forensics and hopefully keep learning new musical instruments. Madison Brightville. Stephen Campbell is our next marching band member. Stephen is the son of Roy and Lisa Campbell. Stephen has been in marching band for 4 years, earning a varsity letter.